In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho People for beginners. We will focus on 4 everyday actions inside Zoho People: tracking attendance, requesting leave, logging time, and reviewing your personal profile. These are common tasks for employees and a great place to start if you are new to the system. First, go to the attendance section. This is where you record when your workday starts and ends. Look for the option to check in or check out. When you arrive for the day, select check in so your start time is captured. When you are finished working, select check out to record your end time. If your organization uses location or device restrictions, make sure you are following your company's normal process before you tap anything so your entry is accepted correctly. Next, move to Leave Tracker. This area is used to request time off and to keep track of your leave balance. Inside Leave Tracker, choose the option to add a leave request. Enter the details carefully, such as the type of leave and the dates. Take a moment to review everything before submitting, because accurate dates help your manager approve the request faster and keep your balance correct. If there is a place to add a note, keep it short and clear so the approver understands the request at a glance. After that, go to Timesheet. Within Timesheet, open Time Logs, then select the plus add option to create a new entry. This is where you record the time you worked, often tied to a date, a project, or a task, depending on how your company has Zoho People configured. Be consistent with your entries and log your time regularly. Frequent updates reduce mistakes and make approvals much smoother. Finally, for personal data, go to Self-Service and then My Profile. This is your employee profile area where you can view your personal details and other information your organization has made available. Review your profile periodically to ensure your details are accurate, since this information can affect HR records and internal communication. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.